issue about the ongoing installation of fire hydrants, Mr. Chair. I came to learn that it is the project of the city government. May I request, Mr. Chair, a copy of the contract and the specifications during the bids of the fire hydrants to be used for our perusal, Mr. Chair. Because what I could remember, Mr. Chair, when this representation allocated 100,000 as a budget, Mr. Chair, for the fire hydrant, we made a research that the amount of the fire hydrant with several valves or opening, Mr. Chair, is around 60,000, Mr. Chair. It is a high grade. It is useful for the BFP personnel and to those whom we intend to utilize the same, Mr. Chair. But what we have seen, Mr. Chair, it is a small fire hydrant, Mr. Chair, and I believe it is only one opening so that we could be appraised accordingly, Mr. Chair. If possible, until Friday, the delivery of the contracts. After all, it is readily available, Mr. Chair, and the specifications during the bidding, Mr. Chair.
Opo, sir, please comply.